Hey guys, today we're going to shine a spotlight on Ion's amazing Total PA Glow, a high-powered Bluetooth speaker system that's perfect for any party, off-the-hook get-together, or cray-cray business meeting. Let's say you need to make a presentation at your company's annual convention, or you're running a karaoke party fundraiser down at the local pub. Either way, you need a powerful, easy-to-use, full-featured speaker that really delivers the goods. Well, that's Total PA Glow. It's got a 400-watt amplifier driving a robust woofer and horn-loaded tweeter for great sound coverage in even the largest of spaces. The woofer glows in multiple colors for an intense visual effect, but you can turn the colors off for those stuffy business audiences. It's Bluetooth capable, so it streams music wirelessly from any phone or other Bluetooth-enabled device. You can even use the built-in music player to read music files from the USB port or SD card slot. The onboard FM radio has 30 presets, and it's also got an 1/8-inch, 1/4-inch, and RCA inputs for connecting everything else you could possibly need. There's a multi-channel mixer with 2 mic inputs and master volume control. There's an echo effect for great karaoke, and a high-quality microphone is included. A convenient wireless remote is included so you can put the speaker where it sounds best, and you can stand where it's best for your presentation. There's also an adjustable stand that positions the speaker at the perfect height. Total PA Glow is one rugged brute with a full-length steel grille and integrated side handles. The built-in top handle and bottom wheels make transportation a snap. That's been a look at Total PA Glow. Thanks for watching.